Welcome to the wripli Wi-Fi installer app setup process. Today we're going to be talking about what to do in the event that the application itself is not functioning correctly, it is not compatible with your device, or for any other reason you're not having success using it. This will be a secondary method to work around to try and get the valve connected to the internet. So as you can see, we have the app here, but we're going to pretend like it's not working today. So we're going to go ahead and go through some of the same steps, but with the workaround. The first step is to make sure that the valve itself is in broadcast mode, which to do you need to press set clock and down until you can see the red and green flashing lights on the daughter card, or on the Wi-Fi user screen see that it is stated as in broadcast mode. Once you are in that part, you can go ahead and move into the settings on your phone. You can do that by tapping Settings, Connections, and then Wi-Fi. And you'll see here it brings up the available networks. This is where you're going to be looking for the MAC address that you are working with. In this case, you can see right here B0328 and so on. That is the MAC address we're working with. We're going to select that one. It's connecting. It moves it up to the current network. So at that point we can move back to our home screen, and this time we want to connect to an internet browser. In this case I'm going to be using Chrome. And now we're going to actually connect to the daughter card itself and see the web page. So we want to go directly to it using its IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Then you can go ahead and hit enter or go. You'll see at this point it brings up a page. We'll zoom in a little bit so it's easier to see. That shows the active networks available to the daughter card now that we want to connect to. In this case we're looking for Water Right 01. This would be where you're looking for the homeowners or business owners network that they want to connect to. You select it. See it expands and offers a place to put the password. Again, this is where you would need to know their password or have them available to enter it. In this case I will enter our password here for our Wi-Fi. You can see 15 Water Right. And then it is important to note that you must push the connect on the screen as well here. So I do that, screen grays out, and you can see the statement here on the page. Device has started. It is beginning that connection process. Once that is done, you'll go to your valve to validate connection by going to the Wi-Fi user screen and looking for the network name at the top, as well as you can check the daughter card for the bottom diode, the green one, and make sure that it has stayed lit up solid green. And once you've seen those, you'll know that you have a solid connection and the unit is ready to go.